Today I'm going to be reviewing Sensawaves electric nail clipper. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. It is really small. It is about the size of a mouse. On the top, you have the nail clipper. On the bottom, you have a file. Right here is how you turn the file on the bottom, and here the clipper on the top, and you have a LED display. Also on the clipper, there's an LED light to help illuminate your nails or your baby's nails. And on the back here, not sure if I would use it, but you can put your nail clippings in there because maybe you want to save them. Now, my nails are way too short to be able to test that. So how it works is you go ahead and you turn this on here, and there's a little spinning unit in there. So I kind of guess it files it more than cuts it. Now on the bottom, you've got this file, and that is really nice. I played with it a little bit, 3 different speeds. Finally, as far as reviews, this gets a 3.9. I really like to see at least 4.4. So this is a little disappointing, although I will say it is pretty nice with this file. I looked through the reviews. Some people said the nail clippers don't work at all. Others said that this broke after a month. I don't know if it's quite that bad, but it's something to keep in mind if you're looking at this. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.